And hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pandu from TechJude, and today we are going to upgrade RAM and SSD on HP Omen 15, and it's an AMD variant. It comes with 512 GB SSD and 8 GB RAM, and it's my brother laptop. It's just running out of RAM while doing multitasking, and the storage isn't sufficient for even regular daily tasks. So we are going to just upgrade the RAM and SSD on this PC, on this laptop. And if you want to purchase any products, check links in the description.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
And here you can see on the RAM it shows around 7.4 GB right here. And I want to show you a disk space, and here you can see it has one SSD. I will show you the disk space. And here you can see I'm going to this PC, and there is only one SSD right here, and it's around 475 GB, and he is using an external pen drive which is right here. And I'll just remove it. So there is only one SSD, so this is the reason why the system is running slow, because it comes with 8 GB RAM and 480 GB SSD. So we are just going to upgrade the RAM and SSD. As here you can see, this is an 8 GB RAM from Crucial, and here you can see it is an 16 GB DDR4 3200 megahertz RAM. And here you can see we have 1 TB of solid state drive from Western Digital. I will show it to you. And this is an 1 TB solid state drive, and just we are going to upgrade it. Before upgrading, just shut down the PC. So I'm just shutting it down. Let me zoom it on. Alt F4, and here you can see I'm shutting it down. Just click enter, and it's shutting down, and it is turned off completely. Now here you can see the unboxing of RAM, and it's a RAM from Crucial 3200 megahertz RAM, and here how it looks. And here you can see this is how the back panel of the HP Omen 15 look like, and there is dust all over the fans, and just you need a Phillips head screwdriver, and you have just 8 screws on the back, all belongs to Phillips head. Just you need one screwdriver so that you can remove all the 8 screws on the back, and just I'm doing it quickly. And we have removed 4 screws on the bottom of the panel, and now we are adjusting the camera. Here you can see the screwdriver, how the top of the screwdriver looks, and I'm just unscrewing all the 4 screws on the top, and I will show it to you. And this is how it looks after unscrewing all the screws, and this is the last screw. There we go, it's done. Now just pull the back cover with the help of this plastic thing, or any credit card or any coin. This is the pick where you can use this pick to remove the back panel of any laptop. And there we go, already we have removed some more, and just you have to just insert in the gap of the hole and just pop it up, and don't apply much pressure. There are a lot of chances that you can break the back panel because it is so delicate, and they do cost cutting for this. And I'm just turning around, just turn the laptop around, just apply minimal amount of force so that it raises up, and there you go. This is how the back panel pops out, and this is how it looks. And we need a blower like this, and to clean the fan. I'm going to showcase you, and just hold this fan tightly. And repeat the same thing on the other side. And here you can see here, there goes the SSD in this copper plate. As you can see, there is an 512 GB SSD in this copper plate, and it supports M.2 SSD in this copper plate, and there is another copper plate on the other side, and here goes the another SSD, and here you can see there is an extra RAM DIMM, and where you can see you have to insert the extra RAM DIMM, and here goes the, here it is an GPU fan and here it is a CPU fan, or it is vice versa, and this is an heat chamber, and here is a battery. This is how the HP Omen 15 looks, and it's an Ryzen 5 version, and it's an Wi-Fi adapter, and this is how the internal parts of HP Omen 5 looks. And here you can see I'm just popping out the RAM from the shell and just pop it out, and there you go, it comes off, and this is how it looks. There you go, you have to just pop in the RAM, and here you can see this is an RAM. Just align the RAM with the RAM DIMM, just slide it in, and there you go, and apply minimal pressure so that it goes in correctly, and wait a second, just pull that thing, and that's it guys. This is how the RAM slides in into the laptop, and there you go, this is how the SSD looks out of the box. And here you can see, there you go, here you can see the copper plate, and let me zoom it in a bit, and here you can see this is a copper plate where another SSD goes, and here there is another copper plate, and where we have 512 GB SSD, and here this is the empty SSD slot, and we need same Phillips head screwdriver, and let me focus in a bit, and this is the screwdriver. Now just we are going to remove the screw, sorry, we are just going to remove the screw present, so that we have to just slowly remove the screw and slide the copper plate off. Now here you can see there is an SSD, and it's a Western Digital Blue SSD, and just align the SSD here like this, and this is how the SSD goes. Just insert it, and after inserting it, place like this, and just replace the copper plate as I'm showing. This is how the copper plate goes, and don't apply much pressure to anything, and just take the screw and replace, just tighten it up. And this is how the SSD goes, and this is how the laptop looks. And here you can see we have added extra RAM and SSD, and this is how the laptop looks now. Here you can see we have 2 RAM slots, one SSD here, one SSD here, and that's it. And here you can see we have booted up the laptop, and we are going to check whether it has identified the RAM and SSD. Now we are just going to this PC and properties, and there you go, here you can see there is an RAM, and it has upgraded to 24 GB. There you go, and you can see there are 2 SSDs, disk 0 and disk 1, as you can see there, and this is how the final upgrade looks like. And that's it for this video guys. If you are new to this channel, drop a like, drop a comment, and subscribe my channel Tech Dude.